Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another exclusive. Welcome back to the Raymore Reviews family, and thanks for clicking on this video. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to turn on your post notification bell as well, and also share the video, like the video, and leave a comment. If you're also thinking about supporting the channel by donating, we have PayPal and other options. So we are back on the Kingston 876 commercial development. That's out by ferry. This building over here is the Nestle headquarters, distribution center, and head office. So we are at the back of Nestle, and then over there is the Mandela Highway, as you can see. So what we're doing today, we're checking an update, or getting an update on two construction out here. One is a BPO, one is a warehouse. The warehouse seems to be moving very fast, and the BPO is basically finished. So this is the BPO. Unique design, a lot of glass as well. Then over there is the warehouse. Again, Nestle compound. This is also their wholesale depot. Very big facility they have. And then this is the side view for the BPO complex. Looks like at least 4 floors with a rooftop area, 4 to 5 floors. And then this area is being developed at a cost of US 30 billion. So still a lot of empty spaces that are not yet claimed. Some of the companies over here is Chapman, Nestle, China Arbava office over here, Derman Trading, Tropical Battery, just to name a few, but still a lot of empty land to be occupied as well. Alright, so this is the Kingston 876 commercial development, currently on its way. And then over here is the warehouse, moving very, very quickly. Then down that side is Tropical Battery Headquarters. They recently did an IPO. I'm not sure if it's yet closed, but they're doing an IPO to help with expansion. So that's Tropical Battery. Then we still have some more empty space over here. And then this is the warehouse complex. I'm not sure who's the operator, who's the owner as yet. They're moving quite fast though. We know it's gonna be mainly steel frame, so that makes construction a lot faster. Then it will be a mixture of steel and concrete, preformed concrete. We also see some Chinese worker on the job as well. You know, most construction nowadays, I don't know if they're all using the same company, but most of them have Chinese worker involved. So I guess it's the contractor probably who's getting the Chinese worker, which probably saves them labor costs, because I don't think all these companies are using the same contractor, but yet most of these construction you still see Chinese on them. It's good when you have a mixture though. Even if it's a Chinese company getting the contract, at least some Jamaicans are getting employment and learning skills as well. But let me know what you think about that, guys, in terms of the the vast number of Chinese workers we see on some of these sites. We know China Harbor Engineering, another Chinese company, get a lot of these big contracts. Well, let me know what you think about that. Remember to leave your comments though, guys, in terms of this project, in terms of this entire area that's being developed. Let me know what are some of your thoughts, some of your suggestions, what you think in terms of the type of businesses you think should come here. So leave that in the comment. Let me know. Let me know. So it's a very big size factory, warehouse. And then they recently opened this road here, which brings you back out to the ferry highway. So you have this entrance, and then you have a next entrance. We are on the Nestle side. We are on that side. So quicker access to the middle of the complex. So it was cordoned off before, and now it's open. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for clicking on this video. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to share. Remember to like. Remember to subscribe, guys. We're almost at 5,000. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And see you on another video. And again, if you want to donate, we have PayPal. So thanks for watching.